Alright. Going to go make a purchase that for a while we've been trying to do. Just everywhere we went, they either was out of stock, or like I said, just didn't have it in general, I guess. So now we finally got back through the Petro here on 44 here in Joplin, Missouri. So they finally got some more in. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab it, man. I've been putting it off for a while. Even going to the KW dealer back home, they didn't even have them in stock. So I'm gonna go with this one right here, the Domatic one. They also have this brand too, Trucker Fridge Indel B. The only difference to me is gonna be that freezer. Something about this freezer just ain't gonna cut it. That look like 2 TV dinners or something. It just ain't gonna cut it. And she would rather have one that came with a larger freezer, so to me it's kind of a no-brainer with that. And we're kind of used to this brand. I think we've had this size or kind in a couple of Volvos we've had, so. But yeah, so we're gonna go with this one right here. Made for KENWORTH T680. And mine does have the 12-volt power plug, so the guy recommended getting one of these. And just can splice the wires, hook it, maybe tape it or whatever, just to add some protective to it. And plugging it up and being done with it, so everything should be in the box. So this is the one we're going with right here. These places are like playgrounds for truckers, man. For anybody that don't know, this is not as big of a location, you know, like I-80 truck stop is. That's kind of like the ultimate. But this joint works too. Pretty much get everything you need out of here. But all truckers that get the chrome, everything, and you know, they got everything. Everybody know that. But I actually been thinking about adding some lights or something. They used to have some little square joints that I used to like. I think I'll let them joints come and go. Maybe next time. Alright. Thought it was gonna be something that caused or at least needed a little more effort than this. Even though it looked like I've been in here working for real. My wife in here burning me up. But you got the heat on hell. She in here. Yeah. But what I did was I went ahead and put the refrigerator in. It was super duper simple, like way easier than I thought. So this is the one I got, the one that's made for the truck, the Domatic joint. It's a CRX. Man, I thought I had it on here. CRX 50. Yeah, I know it's upside down, but CRX 50. I guess that's the one that worked for the T680s, but it was a pretty simple. This button right here. Button that turns the refrigerator on and off. So I basically just plugged it up, turned that on, and boom, we got power. It's already starting to get cool, little freezer. But it got the light inside, so basically just got to set it on what temperature we want it at. I'll let the wife deal with some of that. But this is basically the same fridge I think we had in the Volvos. I think we can order another little shelf up here if we want that. Thought it was gonna come with it, but it doesn't. But yeah, I mean, it's good money. All I gotta do now is probably find me some screws, little tight. I ain't got much room for those preset holes, but I can always give me some good screws, a drill, shoot 3 or 4 screws on either side, and she'll be in there. So now I just gotta get rid of this one that we've had in the floor for a while. Served purpose, but got to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this trimming back around it and be done with it. It's pretty snug. I don't think it's gonna just fall out when we make a hard left turn or nothing. So we're gonna be all right. I think so. But yeah, quick install, man. That was way easier than I thought, way simpler. So I hit up a Lowe's or Home Depot or somewhere tomorrow. Give me a little pack of good screws, shoot them in there, and that'll be that. So yeah, it's your boy Mo 804, man. Refrigerator install. Oh, you girl real Connie for sure. Refrigerator install. While moving, how fast we going?
Going 63.
Oh, step that thing up. Oh, you're creeping.
Well, we was in construction
Oh,
earlier.
here we go.
We was.
Yeah, so easy install, man. So ain't too much to it, pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, that's it. That was simple. Gone, you heard? Peace.